Hey guys, this is Neethal. Today we're going to look at Sara Duke Garden in Durham, North Carolina. Let's take a look. Let me go ahead and give you a little bit of a history of Sara Duke Garden. This is actually the main entrance. The Sara Duke Garden has been serving the Duke and the Durham community for more than 82 years, guys. Dr. Henson pursued his friend Sara Duke, widow of one of the university founders, Benjamin Duke, to give only 20,000 to finance the garden that would bear her name. And Sara Duke Garden was dedicated in April 1939 and was celebrated. They had the 75th celebration in 2014, but as of 2021, it has been 82 years. There are 5 miles of walks and pathways throughout the gardens. I hope you enjoy seeing the world-class botanic garden that has blossomed in the world-class university through the decades. Sara Duke Garden consists of about 55 acres of landscape and wooded area. It's really beautiful. I usually bring my son here and we usually just hang out. This time when I recorded this was actually in around springtime. That's why it's really beautiful. And we went there really early in the morning. This is one of my favorite bridge, the Red Bridge at the Asian Garden area. It's just so beautiful, perfect lighting, I would have to say. I just wanted to do a slow motion. Many paths. You can actually get lost in this garden if you want and find a really nice nook area just to sit and read a book. You would have a lot of your Duke University hospital staff will come out here because it's directly behind the hospital, and they will come out here and just enjoy their lunch break, take a walk, and get their walks in as well too. Some of the garden paths, the ones that I've just stayed on the main path, but there's one that actually takes you off the path and has a really nice small area, as I said, that you can really chill and just get away. Everything, any plants, they all have like the history, what plant it is, and the origin of it and things like that. The area that we're about to come up to is one of the main areas. I have personally seen a lot of weddings here, as well as graduations, prom pictures, and it's just one of those really beautiful settings. If you're thinking about doing a wedding outside, this is a must place to be, I think. It's perfect. They can actually rent it out to you as well too, right? Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look. As I said, my son and I usually come down here and really enjoy Duke Garden. We would just get a picnic basket and have a picnic, let him run around and play games, and just a place just to relax and have a nice cup of coffee, or just to get away from everything. It's really well hidden, I think, where you're not gonna, it's easy to find, obviously, but at the same time, it's just in a really nice area. It's hilly. You will definitely find a lot of nooks. When I say that, it's just really a lot of places to hide, and it's a nice romantic date if you're thinking about coming here for a nice romantic. But I really hope you enjoy the Duke Garden. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I am going to leave some more information description. If you're ever coming down, you can definitely check this place out. I highly suggest this. This is one of the 10 things to do in Durham. So, all right.